This is a DIY tiki torch lamp out of just an old wine bottle, little wicks, and some rocks from my yard, and tiki torch fluid. I went ahead and added the rocks, and now I'm going to add the fluid off camera. So I just put the wick in. I use the wine bottle cap as, you know, whatever, something to hold the wick in. And then you have yourself a little DIY tiki torch lamp all lighted. Some of the items I used were just some rock from my garden, some wicks from the dollar store or whatever, this to make a hole in the top, and yeah, it's like this. Voila. There you go.